Hi, this is Carl. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Earlier we went over the 90-piece accessory kit from Hyper Tough. This video we're going to go over the 102-piece accessory kit. This is the grinding and cutting set. Let's see how durable these bits are. I'm not expecting a whole lot, but anything for $7.88 that works is pretty good in my opinion. This is part 2 in this series, and I do appreciate watching. Okay, here's the 102-piece set, $7.88 from Walmart, Hyper Tough brand. Here is the ingredients, if you want to pause the channel and look at it. Okay, in my last video we went over these cutting discs, so we're not going to look at those in this video. We have some sanding discs here. We have 2 mandrels. There we go. 2 mandrels. We have some grinding stones. These are rubber. Let's see, 2 different grits, and these are rubber. We have this set right here. Try to get it out of there. There we go. Grinding stones. There we go. Better look at that. 2 different grits on that size. And then we have some more rubber grinding stones. And then we have on this side 6 more flat stones similar to these. So let's go ahead and get started on these. I'm going to do these sanding discs first in this little case right here. Let's do that one first and slide this to the side. Let me get my wrench over here. And I do notice that this kit does not come with a wrench, which is a very big drawback for these. So here's just like a piece of sanding paper cut in a circle. Let's go ahead and slide these onto one of my mandrels right here. Once I get this loaded, I'll be right back. Okay, here's my Dremel 3000 with the sanding disc loaded up into the mandrel. Let's see how long this sanding disc will last. Whoops, let me plug it in. I do have my safety glasses on. Now I'm just going to sand part of this paint off this stick I have right here. Now that's what happens in the sanding disc most of the time. The mandrel pushes right through and it ruins it. You see there. So that's very common on these. That's why most people don't even bother using these. But anyway, that's how you use these sanding discs. Here's the stick that I was doing, and here's the paint dot that I was removing. So that's the sanding disc. Let me load up one of these rubber accessories and I'll be right back with you. Okay, if you remember in my last video, I took the diamond coated little round circular accessory, chopped off these little feet off this case right here. So we're going to get this rubber bit, and let's start with this one. Just smooths it out a little bit. There's another one right here. Now that's one of the things you can do with one of these rubber accessories, but one of the main things these are used for is when you're doing glass etching or mirror etching. You can use these rubber bits to help blend the scratch marks so it looks a lot smoother. Anyway, there's another video on that. I'm not an expert on etching glass or mirrors. There's a lot of tutorials on YouTube, so I encourage you to check that out. And these, I've shown these before, so I'm not going to go over these. I'd encourage you to watch my other videos on the pink grinding stones, the blue grinding stones. I'm just going to assume that these are going to be close enough to the same as those. They feel the same, they look the same, they're probably made by all the same people, just branded differently. But anyway, this kit from Walmart, $7.88. You can't go wrong with that price. Encourage you to check it out if you need these, or if you just need to build up your arsenal of rotary tool accessories. This is a pretty good buy. This is Carl. I do appreciate watching my videos.